What is good, YouTube? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. As you see, we got the drip on, and you see my face? That's filled with a smile. Because the only way to lose in the stock market is if you sell. No matter what happened, the turbulence we had a little up and down activity, a little volatility. But if you didn't get flustered, make sure you check this video out.
I get it with my brother.
Okay, so we have a quick video we're going to give to you today. I want to get this out to you before we do the giveaway tonight at 7:30. I want to show you my portfolios, both Robinhood as well as public, and just kind of let you know where I stand and what's going on. All right, so without further ado, hit the like button, subscribe button, you know, all that good shit. And most importantly, make sure you hit the bell notification, because that is how you see my beautiful face each and every time I pop up, preferably every day or every other day. So when you come to the home screen, it's very important to be strong spiritually, mentally, physically, as well as financially. So you'll see we have the home screen set up. My heart is grateful. Just other different little affirmations and shit that pop up throughout the day. But let's get over, we're not worried about that. So let's go over here to finance, okay? And you'll see Robinhood, the thieves, the thievery. All right, so on my thief account, you'll see I still am up over $7,000. I have $7,000, which is a blessing. You see on the day I'm up almost $300. So I really want to stress the importance of this, because a lot of you panicked on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Oh, the market, all this and that, I lost, I'm down. But look what patience does. All the money I lost pretty much yesterday is gained right back right now. And I have more buying power now to do some things. I want to just scroll down briefly to show you. As you see, I had 5 or 6 options the other day, and now we only have 1 because a lot of them have executed or expired, okay? But I want you to look here. You see all these amazing stocks we have. I've actually built positions. So the ones I want to talk about in particular, so you still see the CTRM. CTRM, I still have 315 shares. Now, before I increase my position, I want to just, let's watch it a little bit. I want to read some information about it this weekend. I want to see what's good with it before I put any money in it. But I want to talk about PSEC. PSEC, as you see here, I almost have 50 shares. I bought 10 more shares today to bring my average cost up, and I'm very excited. I love me some PSEC. I also bought a few shares of NK as well as Macy's. So let me go ahead and drag Macy's up. Boom. We have everything in numerical order. Macy's, as you see, almost have 20 shares. So we're doing well. Neo is finally getting this shit together, so I'm happy about that. And you see the rest of my stocks right here. CSWC, SVE, Plug, Blink, Jumia, as well as some Apple shares. So that's what the Robinhood portfolio looks like. It looks a bit different because the options have expired, but I'm very grateful that they have, because now I have more buying power to do some more build position, and then I'm going to use the other capital every week, staying disciplined to make sure we deposit, whether it's $1 or $1,000 every week, deposit some money, stay disciplined, and use this buying power to get more options and to build my positions. Okay, let's jump to public. Okay, so you see my baby public. We are at $7,436.75. I mean, wow. It's amazing how fast, you know, things can go. We went from, I think 2.5 months ago, I only had, 3,000 subs and just maybe $2,000 or $3,000, and now, you know, with both brokerages combined, we're over 14K. So very blessed, very grateful. I will be reaching out to Chris Sain for my belt, but I want to have 10,000 on one brokerage. So if Robinhood doesn't transport in time, we'll just earn or accrue the profit in Robinhood or public, whichever one gets it first, then we'll send it to get the belt from him. But I do want to show you some of the things I'm invested in. As you see, Amazon, Zoom, SNDL is a cannabis stock I'm interested in. Afria, SNDL are my top 2 I'm interested in right now. Tilray, as you know, is doing a merger with Afria. Afria is the cheaper entry point. OCGN, love that one as well. Fubo, aka Fubu, AVXL, AMC, and for those of you following me on public, you would know that I just purchased some TRCH. Shout out to my love that put me on that, my High Vibe CEO. And you see here we have 22 shares of it. Very simple. Afria is the last share, and we got some long terms, okay? Now these are my big babies, my Tesla. As you see, Tesla right here, we have $3,361 worth of it, which is almost 4.5 shares. And then we got some Apple, little Apple crapple, you know what I mean, 2.5 shares. So combined, we have both portfolios. I have 5 shares of Apple. So I'm very excited about what the future holds there. Yeah, this is the portfolio, and I want to just show you over here. You see over in my posts on public, I want to just show you. We're running it up over here. With your help, I'm very grateful to be having you all and to be engaging on my content the way you are and helping me change my life. I'm going to continue to give back and help you change yours. As you see, we're doing well over here. You know, we're helping people, giving good advice. People are loving it, viewing it a fair amount. So that is my beautiful, beautiful public portfolio. Almost 1,000 followers on here. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much all I got for that one. I love you. I hope you enjoyed the portfolio video. Again, don't forget, we are giving away $250 tonight, YouTube Live, 7:30 p.m. I got to give a special shout out to the Discord. You know, y'all are helping single-handedly change my life. Whether you're in the Discord or you're on YouTube, both of these parties are really helping change my life. So I'm grateful of you. I'm very appreciative. Y'all know how the shit goes. Y'all, just by tuning in and watching what I got going on is amazing, because I remember uploading videos and they only used to get 30 views. So I love you. Hope you enjoyed this shit. Let's keep running the bags up and stay patient, stay disciplined. When you join the Discord group, remember to ask the people, get familiar. You know, when you go to a new job, a new city, a new whatever, you got to get acquainted. You got to break the ice. So you go in there, you ask questions. You don't join, you know, a group just to DM me. If you're already DMing me on Instagram, and there's thousands of people, you know, DMing me, and I'm blessed enough for that, why would you then join a group of thousands of people, but only to DM me individually? You know, so just think about it. I love you. You listening to me? You hear me? Okay? We are organic. We're free out here, so I love you. Until next time, hit me up and stay awesome, stay healthy, and stay lit. UD.